back out in sunny California, yay. Thank you to Newbie Drone. So I'm out here with them guys. Well, I'm going to meet up with them guys. I then traveled on a plane, then finally got into the car, sat in like 2.5 hours of traffic. Well, now I'm actually moving. But traffic in LA sucks. I mean, sucks. So, I got about an hour and 49 minutes left until I get to San Diego. Then we're gonna get this party started. The travel is finally over. I finally got to Newbie Drone. I've been driving for like 2 hours. Jesus, planes and cars, and so now we're gonna get out of this damn car and we're gonna go in here and see what's going on. Make sure I grab my handy dandy hand sanitizer. Don't go anywhere without that. Corona shit's ready to kill people out here. Oh, this car is so uncomfortable. Don't buy a Nissan, people. Oh, you guys can look at my chest there for a second.
Conference room action. What's up, Cricket? Yo, what's going on? Newbie Drone headquarters, what's going on? We got DZ.
Well, hello.
Yeah, man, I got the fish tank, of course.
Gotta have a company fish tank.
Super vital part,
Are there guppies in there? They don't know nothing about the fish tank. They're just looking at it.
Balance, right? We're just like, look, we buried them.
This is where all that action goes down. Should I not be showing?
No, you can show it all.
Oh, yeah. Classified.
Yeah, don't.
My better half, Mari, right here. She helps us back here at Newbie Drone.
What up, fellas? So we're back at this spot right here. Well, not back here. This is my first time being here. But David found this cool spot. You probably can't see it. Look. He's over there. There's like all kinds of like balconies and a garage with dive holes and a cool little park over here. Some big ass palm trees. So we're about to rip it. We got out here a little early today. Well, maybe not early. We had a good time last night. But this spot's gonna be sick. You wait till you see these dive holes. Tell me if you can pick this spot.
I can't be the only one who's lonely tonight. I can't be the only.
Yeah, does anybody feel like me? Show of hands. I don't need a lot, I just wanna find my peace. Yeah, why you throwing rocks? Oh, you wanna kill my dreams? Okay, tell me everything I'm not. You think I didn't know those things? Always been a little lost and I still might be. Life's hard, but it's okay. Watching the comments feels like I'm at a court date. How could I complain with a house like this and a car like that in the driveway? Half of what I say kinda feels like a dream that I'm gonna wake from someday. Wishing that I prayed a little more often and put more time into my fate. Traveling my brain, woo, might find damage and no grace. Things that I hold on to, but I won't say. Things that I won't let go, so I chain my soul to the heartbreak. Having a nice day, that's not an average in my case. Don't like cameras in my face, glamour, it's all fake. Love my job, but it might seem odd that I'm here cause I hate fame. Yeah, pain might get to me, throwing threats at me. They can't tell, disconnecting me. It's a fact to me, hide that well, they'll write text to me, but don't check on me. Find myself always questioning what comes next for me. I can't be the only.
Can't be the only one who's lonely tonight. No, I can't be the only.
Yeah, few made a list of people that you trusted, would you put your name down? Do you know who you are? When you look at life and you talk about yours, do you feel proud? Are you leaving a mark or scared to make a bad impression, so you just go hide in the dark? Living and playing the part, knowing regret will come back up tomorrow. That's what it does, ain't it? Don't know what we're chasing, but we all do it. Just a part of life, I guess we're all foolish, running after what we think will make us happy till it falls through. And then we find out later it ain't what we wanted, so we give up on it, then we pile the garbage. And we watch it grow and find a drug to numb it, till we hit the point that we can barely function. Am I motivated? Is my music dated? Would I be the same if I was medicated? Even therapists say I need medication. I avoid it though because I'm scared to take it. Am I the only one that has a loaded gun? It's full of doubts and memories to overcome. And I complain about them when they shoot at me, but I know truthfully I like to load them up and let them. That's so sad to see, that's so sad to see. I need help, they talk passively, then come after me. By myself, lost that half of me. God, there has to be someone else, don't feel bad for me. I just can't believe that I'm the only.
Can't be the only one who's lonely tonight. No, I can't be the only. There's gotta be somebody out there. There's gotta be somebody somewhere who needs company. And it's comforting to know. There's gotta be somebody out there. There's gotta be somebody somewhere who needs company. And it's comforting to know I can't be the only one who's lonely tonight. No, I can't be the only. Can't be the only one who's lonely.
Ooh, this place was good. Let me fix some light in here. Ooh, this place was really good. This is my, we don't even know, well, David don't even know what to name this place. He's like, you gotta name it. I'm like, it's options. There's options everywhere. Everybody killed it today. You should have saw it. Wait till you see everybody. DC's down, he's gotta put out a video. DC,
Now I have to?
Yep.
Damn it, man.
Yep, you hear that? Coming soon. David's gonna have an edit too. Check him out. Everybody's coming out with edits in the next 2 days.
Oh, 2 days?
Yes.
When is this going to be released?
The edits are coming in hot. Coming in hot. So now all food and whoops. You guys watching? Keep watching because this shit ain't over yet. I look so dark. There we go.